Good morning, day 63 of 75 hard. Coming in close, y'all. We're getting there. Less than 2 weeks to be done. And then I gotta figure out what I'm doing after that because, last year I did 300,000 push-ups, which is nuts. And 75 hard has been fun to do this year because it's given me something to do. I'm always a huge fan of having something on the calendar, something with a date, something that you're training for, because in the long term of health and fitness, it's hard to just get up and go work out because that's what you're supposed to do. Right? We all know we feel better. We all know we look better. We all know we're healthier when we work out on a consistent basis. But when there's no goal within the goal, it's just hard to do. And it doesn't have to be anything huge. It doesn't have to be 75 hard. It doesn't have to be you're training for a marathon or the world's toughest mudder or any of that stuff. It could literally be, hey, I want to try to improve my deadlift X amount of pounds, or, I want to learn how to do a pull-up. It can be those things, but there's got to be something, I believe, that you're working towards. Otherwise, where's the drive to get up on the days you don't want to get up? You don't need motivation, but you need something to push your ass out of bed on the days that it's cold, on the days that it's hot, on the days when you're sore, on the days when you're tired, to say, hey, get the fuck up and go do the thing, because that's what you should be doing. So find something, anything. And if you need help, hit me up. I got all kinds of suggestions for you. I'm just saying. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later.